Hey, Ryan from RyanRaban.com here, and on this video, we're going to be showing you how you can make a potential $100 to $500 extra a week just by using Canva. So stay tuned. Before I go ahead and get started, I want you guys to go ahead and log into your YouTube account. That way, when you go to the bottom right of this video, you can see that notification bell. And I want you guys to go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video or whenever I go live. Because on this YouTube channel, I'm going to be showing you guys, product tutorials, reviews, and also how you guys can make money from home and what products you can easily promote on the internet as an online marketer. And since you're in that area anyway, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, if you're looking for a way to make some passive income from home, I'm going to leave in the description box my #1 recommended source to making money from home. All right. So, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few ways that you can use Canva to make an additional $100 to $500 a week. And just a little disclaimer, you're really gonna have to put some time into it. You're gonna put some time into effort into this, and you're gonna have to trade a little bit of time for some money. All right, so let's get started. So welcome everyone to Canva.com. When you go to Canva.com, this is the first page that you're going to see. Now you can go ahead and log in or sign up with either your Facebook account or your Gmail account, right? And just to go over a little bit of some of the features that you can do, what you can learn. You can create different kinds of documents, photo editing, graphs, and everything like that. You can create your own resume, logo. You can make e-cards, album covers, letterheads, photo editing. As far as you can create your own, transparent images. Something that a lot of people need. That's a big feature right there that people use a lot when they're creating their own designing stuff on an internet, or even just for a thumbnail, right? Or even just putting, your own logo anywhere you want to put it. And just some graphs over here, right? So just to jump right into Canva, this is what you're going to see when you sign into Canva. And you can actually use custom dimensions if you want. If you have a specific dimension that you want to use, you can create the width and the height, and it's going to do it for you. But if they have already done for you templates here, for instance, recommended for you, Facebook post, a blog title. If you want to create your own logo, you can create your own logo. You have blog graphics, YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, even the ebook, right? So a couple of things I use Canva for is for making Facebook ads, making YouTube thumbnails, as well as the YouTube channel art. I do some for some other people, and that's one way you can really. And I actually use it for my blog posts and as a blog banner, right? So you can create your own logo if you want to. Like I said, there's a lot of different things you can do over here on social media. If you want to make certain flyers for events, if you want to make your own Facebook ad, a blog post ad and a side banner, or a leaderboard ad, whatever you want to do here. So some designs that I've already created, I've made, YouTube channel art and Facebook ads, my own channel art, some recognition posts for Facebook. Like I said, I made a YouTube thumbnail, one for Pinterest for somebody and another one for HostGator, actually for myself. All right, so there's a lot of different things you can do here. Like I said, if you want to create an engagement post on Facebook and you want to use picture posts and put up a real quick, quote with a picture, it's something that you can do really quick. You can upload the picture, into Canva. Put up your quote, and also put your brand down here in the bottom, right? So that's a quick way to really use Canva, just to put up a post really quick. And it's real simple, right? It really is simple. Now, today I'm going to actually show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail. And it's, like I said, they're real simple, and they have already done templates that you can use if you want to use that are free. Now, let's test this out really quick. So, for instance, if your video is about Canva, you have a lot of different stuff here that you can put up. So you have, if you're going to put it up, let's see, I'm going to make a thumbnail. We'll add that here. So that's the transparent. So that's good. Let's see, what could we use for Canva? I mean, there's a lot of different paid stuff, and there's a lot of different, a lot of free stuff as well. If you love Canva, I heart Canva. free, you know. So there's a lot of stuff here. Like I said, it's free, but we're gonna create our own. And let's see what layouts they got that we could actually use with this Canva. Hmm. So today's topic is how to make money with Canva. All right. And we're going to do that now. Let's see here. Money. Let's put some money in the background. All right. So let's go to elements, grid. Now, what I love about this is it automatically sizes up the pictures for you. Let's get rid of this really quick. So if you want to put one whole picture in here, put a whole picture in there. If you want to put two pictures in there, you know, and everything, and it'll scale it to what the picture that you want to use. All right. So we're just going to use the one, right? And we're going to go back to our layout for money because we're making money with Canva, right? Let's see if we could do a little piggy bag. Piggy boy, piggy. Piggy. What's up, piggy? All right. Let's see what else. Maybe we could use something else. All right. Well, you know what? I'll just do this really quick for you guys. All right, we can add some. Want to add some more? You can add whatever you want here. You know, if you want to, all right, let's do the money background. Drop some dollars. All right, let's get rid of this thing. All right. Let's go. All right, so go back to our Canva. Just to brand it, and we're going to add some text. All right, add a heading. Actually, you know what? Let's do this first. Let's create some where is it? I always forget where these are. There we go. Oh, wrong one. This one is what I wanted. And you can do this really quick. Make another one. And I'll show you really quick what I'm doing here and how simple it is to use this. And if you want to add if you want to add a picture of yourself, G-Dub, I'm going to use you today. We're going to use G-Dub today. Feature G-Dub on my YouTube channel. Here we go. All right, and we can do something simple, you know. And we're going to add a little text. You can fix this a little bit. And we're going to just change up the font. Do a little bit better here. Let's make it white. Add a heading. How to make money. Hope you guys getting the point here. I mean, like I said, it's real simple. Just to make a real thumbnail. I mean, you play around with it if you want to. Really not difficult to do with Canva. You know, you could just really, you know, it's real simple. I mean, I have taught people how to use this, and I figured, you know, why not make a video so everybody can learn from it? You know, it's real simple here. Like keep saying that, but it's all right. It is simple. That's why it's real simple, man. It's real simple. Now, if you want to get a little creative with it, you can get creative with it. You know, I'll probably use up the whole entire text, but that's how easy you can do it. You can, you know, you want to create this sideways, put something like this. I know my boy likes doing this with his uh, with his posts, you know, and it's cool because it's a little bit offset and it's kind of eye catching. But I'm sure you guys get the idea here, right? And you can create so much different things here with Canva. Like I said before, you can create so much different things. I mean, even if you want to, you know, like I said, there's people out there that don't want to create or have the time to do these. And you know, if you have the time to do this, you can make a lot of money doing this with Canva. You know, and it's real simple here. You know, and you could charge $5 to $10 depending on what kind of per person, or maybe what, you know, for something so simple as this is five. You know, something that's going to take 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes I'm taking to do this. All right, and you could, like I said, you can create whatever you want to use over here. But that's a simple way that you can make, you know, like I said, you can make a YouTube thumbnail, you know, and it's real easy. All right, guys. So if you got any value from this, or if you want me to make more videos just like this, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I am going to be making more videos like this. Also, if you want to know what my #1 recommended source for making income from home, go ahead and check it out in the description box below. I'm going to be coming up with more videos like this on how you can make money from home. This, like I said, this is one thing that I just made. It's just a thumbnail, a simple thumbnail. I'm probably not going to use this one. I'm probably going to be more creative because I want it to be on my YouTube channel, and I'm probably going to make it a lot more appealing to me, right, to my audience. So, like I said, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check out if you have more questions or have any kind of questions, or you know, drop a comment in the description box below, and let me know, guys. Let me know if you guys are liking this YouTube channel, and let me know if there's something that I'm missing. You know, I would love to hear what you guys have to say. I would love to hear what your comments, your opinions about this channel. All right, and I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.